In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the heat map on TradingView. So the first step is to go to tradingview.com and then you just have to go to products. Then what we're gonna have to do is simply go to screeners, and as you can see we have heat maps. So we have stocks, ETFs and crypto. So we just have to click on any of these and then here we'll be able to view all of them. Now you can also click on crypto coins. Then here we can choose other categories such as coins DeFi by market cap, as you can see, by market cap, by volume in USD in the last 24 hours. We can also change the time and performance. So basically that's all you have to know about heat maps. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.